Hey there! Ever wondered how many ships and airplanes have vanished in the Bermuda Triangle? Could their disappearances be due to human error, weather, or something else entirely? Let's dive in and uncover the mysteries. One intriguing case is that of the SS Cotopaxi. This ship disappeared in 1925 while traveling from Charleston, South Carolina to Havana, Cuba. Despite extensive searches, the Cotopaxi never arrived at its destination. Decades later, in the 1980s, a wreck was discovered 40 miles off St. Augustine, Florida. Since experts couldn't determine its origins at first, they nicknamed it Bear Rat. It wasn't until January 2020 that marine biologists confirmed this wreck was indeed the missing SS Cotopaxi. But how did it end up there, outside the Bermuda Triangle? Now, let's talk about the term Bermuda Triangle. Can you pinpoint it on a map? Surprisingly, no? The Bermuda Triangle isn't officially recognized and doesn't appear on world maps. Its boundaries are not universally agreed upon and are estimated to cover an area between 500,000 and 1.5 million square miles, giving it a roughly triangular shape. The term was first coined in 1964 by American author Vincent Hayes Gaddis in an article for Argosy magazine. He used it to describe a region notorious for the mysterious disappearance of ships and planes. Quantifying the exact number of lost vessels and aircraft is challenging because some have vanished without leaving any wreckage. Historical records and legends provide some insight. For instance, Christopher Columbus reported strange phenomena in the area during his voyages in the late 1400s, including seeing a mysterious flame and unusual lights. Later, his compass malfunctioned, something that has been a recurring theme in Bermuda Triangle legends. One notable incident is Flight 19, a Navy bomber squadron that disappeared in 1945. Led by Lieutenant Charles Taylor, the flight got lost in the Bermuda Triangle under mysterious circumstances. Pilots of that era relied on compasses and estimated flying times, and when both compasses failed, it led to confusion. Taylor didn't have a watch on him, complicating the situation further. The initial conclusion was pilot error. But it was later changed to causes unknown. One surviving pilot, Bruce Guerin, claimed he experienced electronic fog, making him believe he had traveled through time. In 2014, a pilot almost collided with an unidentified flying object, and in early 2015, passengers on a flight spotted a curious floating object over the ocean, though its nature remains unresolved. Scientists have proposed more conventional explanations for the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries. Oceanographers suggest rogue waves. Also known as freak waves, these are rare, unusually large ocean waves that can occur unexpectedly, potentially sinking ships or causing damage. Massive, sudden waves that can reach over 100 feet might be responsible for ship disappearances. Meteorologists point to hexagonal clouds that can generate winds up to 170 miles per hour, which could create dangerous waves. A rare atmospheric phenomenon where clouds form in a hexagonal shape, potentially creating strong winds and turbulent weather. Another theory is that decomposing organisms on the ocean floor release large amounts of methane gas. This gas can cause underwater eruptions, making the water less dense and leading to the sudden sinking of ships. However, the U.S. Geological Survey indicates no large gas releases in the area for the past 15,000 years. The Bermuda Triangle's magnetic anomalies, due to high concentrations of magnetite in the ocean floor, could also affect navigation. As the Earth's magnetic field shifts, it might impact the region's navigational reliability. Interestingly, the Bermuda Triangle isn't unique in having a reputation for mysterious disappearances. The Michigan Triangle in Lake Michigan and the Devil's Triangle in the Pacific Ocean near Japan also have their own legends of unexplained vanishings. For example, the USS Pickering disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle in 1800, believed to have been lost to a storm. Similarly, the disappearance of TB-F Avenger planes in the 1940s sparked a massive search operation with no trace found. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. Some skeptics argue that the high frequency of accidents is due to the area's heavy traffic rather than any supernatural causes. A fascinating theory involves giant squids. Stories of sea monsters like the Kraken have existed for centuries. In 2004, marine biologists filmed a giant squid near the Bermuda Triangle, revealing its potential to cause shipwrecks. These squids, with their immense size and powerful tentacles, could pose a threat to ships, especially wooden ones from centuries past. Despite scientific advancements, much remains unknown about giant squids and their behavior. The ocean is still largely unexplored, leaving room for mysteries to persist. So, the next time you hear about the Bermuda Triangle, remember that while it holds many secrets, there's often a logical explanation behind its legends. While the Bermuda Triangle remains a source of fascination and speculation, many incidents can be explained by natural phenomena or human error. However, some incidents remain unexplained, leaving room for ongoing research and exploration.